Ready for a little Halloween cleanup magic? Because who said cleaning can't be a little magical? I mean, seriously, just check out this reach. Perfect for those sneaky cookie crumbles hiding anywhere. Let's pretend these cookie crumbs are little Halloween goblins hiding in the car, and this vacuum knows exactly how to catch them. The retract feature is honestly genius. Everything stays organized and ready for the next clean. Everything just clicks right into place, and when it's time to empty it out, it could not be easier. Happy Halloween, and thanks to Giraffetools for this happy cleaning. Check the link in my bio for more.